I went to a website where I could get some probabilities. Enchanted book 0.0109, 5 divided by 459, 8 divided by 459, and so on. Over here, this is a binomial calculation. So imagine you did 100 attempts and the probability of success is 0.0109, this number. To have 0 successes, there's only one way you can do that. Every trial would have to be a failure, and there's only one way you can do that. And then this looks complicated, but you have to multiply the number of combinations by the probabilities. And if you went down a probability tree and you had failure, failure, failure 100 times, the probability would be 1 minus p. That's 1 minus 0.0109. It's going to be 1 minus p to the power of 100 times p to the power of 0. And that's just been encoded into a formula that just goes all the way down. You do the number of combinations times the probability of that many successes times the probability of that many failures. So this one is 1 success, so it's going to be p to the power of 1 times 1 minus p to the power of 99. And there's 100 different ways you can do that. And this column here is just this number here is 100 choose 0, this is 100 choose 1, this is 100 choose 2, and I've done it using factorials. So for example, for the enchanted book, which has a lower probability, the lowest probability, as you can see from the graph, really once you get beyond 10, the probability becomes negligible, somewhere near 5 or 6. Column C adds up to 1, so the total probability of all the different outcomes is 1. So let's change the probability. So let's go to this second set of 0.0. There you go. You can see how the binomial distribution changes. And let's choose this next step up in probability. And then finally equals 0.0436. Okay, and let's go to the highest probability. This looks very much like a normal distribution, doesn't it? It looks like a bell curve. Very unlikely in 100 trials that you would get 0 successes, and very unlikely that you would get 20 or more. So that's how we do that. If you've enjoyed this, please give us a like. Thanks a lot. Bye.